Hell
Yeah,
yeah.
that's right. Green tea.
Green tea's good. I'm a fan.
Good morning, chat. Welcome to Trading with
Morning,
the
chat.
Boys. Nimkins won't be on camera today. He had prior arrangements to getting set up. However, he is here. I think he's just grabbing a cup of tea. Morning, Savvy. Morning, Kev. Morning, DJ.
Gotta be honest. I
Albu.
gotta be honest. I think Nims needs to be docked. If he's not going to be on, he needs to be docked pay. He's not
I
gonna
know
come.
the guy for a former professional photographer. He is awfully scared of being on the camera.
I'm not feeling that vibe at all. I'm sorry. I hate to turn on him. I'm just trying to support him, but still not feeling it.
I know. It's ridiculous. No, we'll give him a pass today. We will give him a pass today. Oh boy, give me a second here, guys. You can keep the chat engaged for a minute. I gotta grab my fill light and turn it on because
I'm still trying to wake up.
I'm in the shadows.
I've been going to the gym in the morning recently, but I didn't go this morning because last night I was out late, and it's just thrown off my whole schedule now. So, God, I feel so old.
I love it.
Let me pull up the chat.
Absolutely scrambling this morning, and I shouldn't be.
Who's that?
Me.
Well, I tell you, 208 is still my key level. Let's see what it does.
Nicotine fix. Yeah.
Wait, why does your voice sound higher? I thought you were Anon at first.
Who, me?
Yeah, I know its voice does sound higher. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like you're on. It's like you're on helium or something.
What, really?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, it's getting worse and worse as we go on.
It is.
I got nothing.
Oh my God, this is gonna be
You're
great. This is
fully
gonna be the best stream ever.
inhaled.
I got nothing. I have no like.
Yeah,
Like,
okay.
best stream ever. This is
Yeah,
gonna
for
be.
sure.
Is it that bad?
I believe you. Yes.
Oh, this should be good. I don't know what to do.
Well, the only thing you and I, our only assignment today is ask him what questions that he has to give long answers to and then shut up.
Oh, is that
Helium
what's-
voice.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Let's try this.
This is so
Like,
good.
there's no way this isn't on purpose. You have a voice changer.
No, I don't. I don't have.
You were completely fine until we got on stream, so I don't believe it.
No, seriously, I have no voice mod or anything like that going on.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
Yeah, Fletcher does.
And he's pulling every trick out of the book to try to get viewers, isn't he?
You know, I really don't know what's
fine.
going on. Does it still sound bad?
Oh yeah, it's awesome.
You don't sound bad per se. You just sound like you inhaled some helium.
Oh, really? Like I sound like a chipmunk
Yeah.
or something?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you're getting there.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't have any kind of sound effects on or anything.
This is so good.
Cap.
And obviously I can't hear it, so I have no idea what's going on.
Oi, what the fuck is going on?
Yeah,
Alright.
I don't know.
I go downstairs to go and make a tea with my headphones on, and now Wes sounds like he's maxing out benching 2 kilos.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah, I don't know. The only thing I could think of is when I went to unmute my mic, it shocked me kind of. So I don't know
There
if
you
that
go.
did something, but yeah,
Shocked you?
yeah, like it shocked
Your
me.
mic?
Yeah.
You sound like an 8-year-old with they them pronouns.
Yeah.
Let me try and figure this out here.
I love it.
I would try like unplugging your mic and back in, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know, man. This is the best.
Let's see, is that
Boy,
any
we can
better?
have a VWAP open. Yeah, it's better.
Wait,
Unfortunately.
talk again.
Is that better?
Say something. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's better. Jesus. I couldn't part
That
of
was
that.
funny.
We getting a VWAP open?
Yeah, I didn't do
now
it.
we know
I
how to,
literally don't have a voice mod or anything on, so I have no idea.
Now we
Fortunately,
know how to get a voice changer if you don't actually have like a voice mod. You just gotta shock your mic.
Shock your mic.
Yeah, it did. It shocked me.
That's rock. All right.
Shoes on carpet. Never a good combo. That's funny.
So I'm trading the personal account today, boys.
I love it.
Oh, is that why?
Very.
The chat was loving that. That's the most engagement my chat has ever had. Maybe I should go voice mod every stream, guys.
Yeah, bring it back.
I love it. By the way,
that's funny.
I'm short at 74.
Already.
Yeah, what the hell? It's going downtown for a little bit anyway. It may come back and get me out break even, but I like the start.
Well, Chris said he likes the downside. He was bearish this morning.
Well, since it came roaring back through my 208, I'm just going to stay short for a while.
Yeah, I'll watch that like 100 to 120 area for a bounce.
If it comes back, it takes me out break even. It does. I'm okay with that. But
That's so
It might.
funny. I'm gonna have to watch the stream back because obviously I can't hear it. So I'm gonna have to, when I watch the stream back, it should be pretty
120
funny.
is a good area. 120 is a good area for it to bounce, I think. That's where I put my stop.
The ultimate sell would be to like 21,600. That would be incredible. Just right back into the middle of the range.
No, that would not be. Well, I mean, don't get me wrong. I'd like that big of a move, but I don't want to be back in that stupid range that we were in for a month.
I'm just going to hold on to this.
Wow, we're selling.
Free fall Friday, boys. Free
I'm still
fall
in.
Friday.
You know what? I might go to overnight
Yeah, we're
lows.
only down like
This might be a
70
70-point banger here.
Oh yeah, where were you short from?
174.
Damn, son.
I took off. I went in 10 micros. I've took 5 off. Now
I've got a resting order at 162 half to go short. So if we get that, I would take it.
Now I'm going to put these runners way down. Just let them run.
Oh, I haven't even opened the charts yet.
You're a YM trader.
Oh, right, okay, we're at my level.
Yeah.
I'm filled short.
All right,
162 half.
Here's Nimkins rushing to the charts as a line trader.
I know. I know.
Whoa.
I thought about putting a compilation of just pure boredom shots of Nims trading the YM.
Just
Hey.
show paint drying or
Yeah.
ice melting. Grass
I
growing.
forgot. You know what? I'd forgotten about my trade yesterday. Wes was the one to remind me. He's like, "Hey, your trade's doing good." I was like, "Oh shit, is it?"
Oh my gosh.
I was stuck at like $600 for like an hour and a half, and he's like, "Hey, it's breaking out."
That's too funny. Well, it may come back and take me out break even, but I'm happy with what it did at the bigger run there. That was worth 40 points, almost 40 points
Nice.
on the first out.
All right. I am long from the money line on the YM.
From the what?
The make money line.
The make
Is
money
that what you're
line.
calling your levels now?
Wes, you know where I'm long from.
44K.
There you go. Yeah. I mean, just look at, if you go on the YM, look at the 4 hour and tell me that 44K doesn't make money.
I actually can't even pull up the YM right now because I don't have CBOT data on AMP.
Do I really have to go to that boring ticker?
Ugh.
All right. Yes,
It's
you're at a
crap.
buy level.
It'll
Yeah.
come
Don't
back.
do it, Wes.
We know. All right.
Oh, yeah, don't do it.
Yeah,
Don't.
yeah.
The dude's not even on camera. Seriously, man. What are we doing?
All right, I'm
I mean,
losing money at the
I'm
moment.
actually still in a trade on the NQ. I don't know how that's not riveting, but okay.
I thought you got stopped out break even.
No, I'm still in it. I took out 5 out of the 10 micros, and my break even is at 173 basically.
Nice.
So it hasn't come back up. It may.
As
but-
the like ultimate target, downside target today, I actually really like 22,063. That was yesterday's point of control, roughly. That'd be pretty sweet. I mean, I think overnight lows obviously needs to get taken out first before we even consider that, but that would be a sweet downside target.
I have yesterday's POC at.
I'm on MNQs, just heads up.
Oh, okay.
I'm actually thinking of adding here, man. Yep, not with that. Well, I still might. Let's see.
And he's back. Last Friday was so boring, but
It was boring. Good. Hey, you got to admit this is a good trade.
this would have been the perfect day for Mapster.
It would have been. Yeah, it might take me higher. Just reject view up here.
Damn,
Fletcher.
I missed going break even by 1 point. That's tragic.
Oh, it took me out break even. There you go. I love
Nice.
that trade though. That was a nice
Good
trade.
trade.
That's a good way to start the day.
A break even?
Oh, I
Oh,
had
you
5
lied.
off.
I was like, it took you out.
I went in
break
10
even.
micros.
Okay.
Took 5 off, and I left.
Fletcher
Other
said,
five
wait,
was
I'm
there.
fading Dave.
Oh, I mean,
Well, that might look good right now, but I don't know. Look at
YM looks like it's about to do something dirty to me.
Are you? Oh, are you long still?
that's all right,
Yeah,
Nibs.
I'm long.
You got about an hour before you have to decide anyway.
Nah, this looks like it's going to get ugly quickly.
Didn't it puke yesterday? I saw it was down like
Yeah,
what,
I caught.
or something.
Yeah, I caught the bounce and things off it, and then it puked overnight to where I got in, and I've just tried the same trade again.
Gotcha.
At the
Let's see, look at this.
moment,
Oh, I told you.
yeah, I'm done. Fuck this. Yeah, that was ugly.
Time to head out. Wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
Yeah, if you lose $200 in like 10 seconds on the YM, you are in trouble.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
well, it looks like I've got the bottom tick
Even now at
exit.
61.
Hey,
Well,
chat, everybody
with
congratulate Nims on the all clear from the doctor this morning.
here you go, Denise.
I'm clear. I haven't got all of them clear, but yes, today was good.
Well, I went
You're
short.
speaking
again
too
at,
soon.
44. Let's see. And I'm break even. I'm gonna hang in there with 10 micros. Let's see where it goes.
STD check,
All right.
TJ says.
I closed out. Nice.
Okay, we're
I
took-
closed that out. I took that
I
out.
took
I'm
the
up.
short from 62.5 and I just closed it at 21, so I'll take it.
Yeah, I closed at 22. I should have kept it, but I'm now up 725 on the day.
Nice.
we still have news to go.
Listen, early bird gets the worm here, buddy. Snooze, you lose.
Yeah, we're getting good movement.
Yeah, I and it's predictable.
All right. Well, okay. Yeah. Cheers, Dave. All right.
I mean,
I'm down. I'm down $360 of my own money. All right. Fair. I predicted it perfect. That's what I wanted to happen. Yeah.
Bro, aren't you up like 25 grand the last month?
God dang, Mapster
Right.
never fails. What is wrong with you guys?
Yeah, we haven't tested it on the YM properly yet, though. I
This
can't
is true.
use it.
Because
Yeah, it's just you and I have a friend who is rubbing really large profits in our face currently. So it's like,
Yeah,
it's
oh.
like, oh, jeez.
it's that guy that chooses to remain anonymous.
He's had a good few days, okay? Let's
He-
put it at that.
2200 could be on the
Mm,
table here.
2200. What are we trading? The Russell?
we-
I mean 21,950. Sorry, 21,950. Yeah, the Russell. Well, that's midnight open where it's kind of hanging out. Let's see what else it wants to. Boy, God darn, I loved the trades this morning. I'm actually up a little bit more than that. I've got 2 evals that I'm running. One's up 725, the other's up 302.
When's news?
was just looking at
5
Tuesday.
minutes and then on the hour.
Then on the air.
Okay, I won't take another trade. I want my money
Thanks.
back because someone told me it's predictable.
Thanks,
Napster, man. I'm over here, never
Mhm.
having never had money be like Fletch.
All right.
It's so good.
Appreciate that, cheese. Appreciate that. You guys know what cheese means?
No.
Did I tell you
What
this
is-
before?
what is
I think I
cheese?
told you when I was in the airport.
It's some kind of hip lingo.
Cheese.
That you kids say
it's-
today?
It's fraternity talk for chill beast.
Oh Jesus! All right.
Honestly,
All
I
right,
don't even.
time
I know
out,
the,
time
I
out,
know what those
Tom,
2
time
words mean
out.
separately. I have no idea what they mean together.
If you're a chill beast, you're just like one of the boys.
Oh, chill beast.
No,
And
time
then you
out.
gotta combine that
Can't do
to
this.
say cheest, because if you're saying chill beast every time, it's a lot of syllables, so you have to cut that down.
Yeah.
Alright, Palm, okay? You were asking me earlier, how did I
This
think
is
you
so
were
good.
21, right? And I think my point has been proven.
Yeah, that's my bad.
Yeah.
It gives me ick.
Who's
That's not
21?
very
Who's
cheest of you,
21?
though, honestly. Saying I'm 21, like, that's mad not cheest of you.
Jeez,
Alright, I'm sorry, that's enough.
Alright, get rid of him. Where's time him
I
out?
can't. I have
Alright.
no. I have no. I
Yeah.
can't.
You're one more fraternity slang away from you riding. Alright, there's overnight lows. Solid. Solid.
There's overnight lows.
I think I might try the.
I'm in
bounce
the
here.
trade. I'm long on the YM. I'm
Yeah.
long 960.
Again.
Oh boy.
I want my money back.
Boy, we should have held there, Palm. Coulda, woulda, coulda.
I'm okay with my exit, honestly.
Oh yeah, I am too. Trust me, I am too.
Extra 20 points is nice and all, but I was only in one contract, so when I have, 40 something points, I'm gonna take that.
That last one gave me 24 points, so that was
Nice.
10 micros.
Hoping it can push through 20 here. Run a little bit. Not getting the pushback.
All right, we're gonna push through 20 here, trading the teens, trading 13, trading a little bit lower.
Yeah, you're gonna be the auctioneer.
20s.
Oh god, what happens to United Health? Jesus, it's down 8.7%.
What?
Yeah, cooking the books.
What the hell happened?
Cooking
I
the
don't know if I
books,
can
he
say
says.
that. I don't know if I can say that.
Dude, I wouldn't be surprised if they
All right,
had
stop
some
that.
large level fraud going on.
They've got a Medicare pricing probe from the DOJ.
Exactly.
Got him. Nima, I don't know what your opinion on insurance companies is, but specifically like health insurance in the US, I despise all of them.
Mm.
That's coming from someone who has a lot of family that works in medicine, and I'm going off of like their educated opinions. All of these companies suck.
Woohoo.
Here's the
Hot
problem.
Depends.
Palm coming in with the hot
Depends.
take.
I hear
Not even a hot take.
the problem with it in the U.S. is you can't reform that until you get tort reform. You got to get tort reform first. So once you do that, then you can reform the rest of it.
See, it depends on your personal experience. See, I have health insurance, and my dad's always had health insurance. We were on holiday in the south of France, and my dad ran into heart problems, and health insurance paid for him for like a top heart surgeon. He got a room looking over like the Monte Carlo harbor, like where the racetrack and things is, like a private room to himself. And they did like 8 heart bypass, all paid by the insurance.
Yeah, but we're normal people. We don't run around in that crap.
No, that's UK. That's UK health insurance. That's what they paid for.
That's not
That's
NIH.
what it should be on.
That's or whatever they call it over there.
And then recently he had prostate cancer removed, and they paid for everything, no problems at all. Just
that's
everything
without any
paid for.
private insurance. That's straight up national health.
No, that was all on his private. This is everything.
Okay,
was
that's
on
what I
his
thought.
private.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
But
how it
national
should
health.
be,
paying-
though. I mean,
So
when
you're paying for
especially-
national health and
when
you're
you
paying for
have-
private.
When you have private insurance, like you have a contract with this. My problem with it is you could have private insurance here and have some sort of health issue like that, and they'll deny you just because they pre-existing condition or whatever reason. Like you have a contract with them, you're paying them whatever premium for private health insurance, and they'll still deny you life-saving care. Like that's my issue with it. So if you have private health insurance in that situation that your dad is in, like yeah, that they should pay that. That's their agreement with you.
Right.
Exactly. Agreed.
And that's not even going into all the stuff they do on the back end that like patients don't see, but I've heard about from my family where they'll delay things. They'll try to fight with the hospital to get the hospital to cover things so that the insurance company doesn't have to do it. Like, it's crazy, man.
Palm, I like what you're saying. I mean, you're standing on business. That's what you get. I mean, that's right on.
Yeah. I don't know. If I ever ran for office, that'd be my whole campaign, is just trying to reform all of that. So I'd probably get assassinated real quick.
Oh my God. Again, you have to start with tort reform. That's where it starts.
Yeah.
You can't start with the medical insurance reform. It's got to be tort reform. Then you can get after the real stuff.
Yeah, Porch. No, I know, man. My brother has 3 kids. I'm aware.
No, we're not gonna say free Luigi.
No. No. Absolutely not. Well, you had a little bounce there, but is it going to be sustained off that news?
Not with United Healthcare dropping like a stone.
Well, I'm talking about the NQ.
No one cares about the NQ. No one cares about that.
Remember the good old days when Nims would trade the NQ? He traded the same thing as the rest of us.
What, the days when I didn't make money?
Remember those days?
Yeah, the days I didn't make money from trading. Yeah, I remember.
Oh,
those.
man.
Oh, contrary now.
Man, my long was looking good. I was long for just above 100.
I would say, are you still in it?
No, I got stopped out.
I would say Nims is not, what is it? Cheesed?
Oh, jeez.
Yeah,
That is going to stop them from winning us.
Why, you're saying Nima isn't cheesed?
I'm saying, yep. Not right now.
No, we're just going to
Those
hang
are
out
fighting
on VWAP
words.
for the next 15 minutes and chop VWAP.
And we got news again at the top of the hour.
Nims, how are we responding to that? He said you aren't very cheesed.
I'm going to respond with a slap in a minute to one of you.
My gosh.
Internet
violent.
slap.
An internet slap. First, I had the 8-year-old,
violent.
the 8-year-old transgender yapping away in my ear.
We all
Now I've got this cheese stuff.
Tell you what, I'm getting ready for an inverse fair value gap, though.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
the ES was like
God.
barely moved.
That's what I'm getting ready for. Fletch is on it. Come on, Fletch. Inverse fair value
ES
gap, brother.
has not done anything. Tragic.
Well, guys, 100 held. That was the area that I wanted to hold. I just don't know if I can get into a position this close
Where are you
to-
going to find an entry?
this close to Michigan sentiment.
Why is it Michigan? Why do they get to
No,
decide
I don't know.
the country?
I
It's a
have no
great-
idea.
Probably because in the old days with the big three, I have no idea, but you're right.
Who's the big 3?
Automakers.
Oh, gotcha.
But I don't know if that's relevant anymore.
It's probably Dan Campbell pulling the levers, honestly.
Oh, you are on fire this morning. I love it.
Nice.
Palm's got a piece of content that's going to be coming out soon.
I'm so excited. My debut.
Oh my gosh. I know, Fletch, it does. I'm looking at it on the 1 minute. That's why I said that. But I don't know about news, brother.
Nims has gone quiet over there.
Why?
Oh yeah. Don't worry, I got wrecked again.
Fell
I
asleep.
got wrecked again. Yeah, that's not.
Oh, look at that. Ooh, that's ugly.
Yes,
Well, good.
yes, it is.
Depending on your
Well, today is probably monthly OPEX, so
EPR.
we expect some
Fletch
volatility.
has got it. Fletch has all the language. BPR all the way. I live for BPRs.
What the hell's a BPR?
Balanced price range. I'm glad you asked there, Paul.
Balanced price range. It sounded like a beer, honestly.
It did.
Well, you just flip the 2 letters and you do have a beer.
Yeah.
That's right. so glad you asked that question. This is gonna be ugly here.
What's OBP?
There's a song about that.
What the hell's an OBP?
My God, Boys to Men. I think it was Boys to Men.
Wow, we're back below the overnight lows. We're moving.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
was
Blossom Pilsner. I've never heard of that. Is that good? I don't think I've ever seen that actually.
Holy downside. We haven't printed a green candle yet on the 5-minute.
All right.
Similar to like Mango Cart. Huh.
Ooh, I don't know about that. Mango. Ugh.
I'm a fan of Blue Moon when you throw an orange in there, or just like a straight up shock top orange. Those are pretty good.
I like my banquet beer. Me Coors.
Yeah, that's solid too.
So when we were talking about drinking ages earlier, so when I was growing up, the old dudes at the bar, when I was young, going to bars, very young, tomato beer was the whole deal. I mean, they would just mix up pitchers of tomato beer, tomato juice and beer.
What?
They
What?
put salt in it. Oh yeah, that was like
That is the most like old person bar drink I've ever had.
I'm not kidding.
Like a margarita. but for-
Dave and his boys have Bloody Mary Sundays.
Yeah.
Tomato beers. Or you put salt in the beer.
When I lived in Charleston, there was a restaurant that did these Bloody Marys that were like, they had like bacon and shrimp and like
Oh my
lobster
God.
tails, and
Oh my
it just
God.
looked like
Yes.
It's a
it
whole
looked
meal.
ridiculous. Yes, it looked absurd.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't
Bacon
like
in
Bloody
it is the
Marys. I'm
best.
not a fan. Must be the 21-year-old in me. I'll grow up to it when I'm like 45.
You absolutely will.
Palmetto's over there still doing Jaeger bombs.
I haven't done a Jaeger bomb since freshman year of college.
Okay,
But
thank goodness.
my roommate freshman year of college loved Jaeger. Like I'm talking, this dude had 3
Oh, that's
backup bottles
horrible.
in the freezer at all times.
it's horrible.
That's brutal.
Black licorice. Yeah, it's gross. Gross.
Yeah, black licorice it shouldn't be a thing.
It shouldn't be a thing. It's like candy corn. Candy corn shouldn't be a thing.
What's candy corn?
Oh,
Not sure. Jaeger bombs are lit. You should try them.
the
Oh, what
most
is-
awful. It shouldn't be a thing.
Oh, you don't know what a candy corn is?
I don't know what that is. Is this like a cheese? What is that?
Candy corn? You have to know what candy corn is, Dave.
Pyramid
know.
Halloween
shaped candy, 3 sections based on honey sugar.
Wow, y'all are wild, and candy corn is so mid.
Oh, it's so gross. It's so. It is
I
so.
have no
foul.
idea what
4 out
it
of
is.
10, I guess.
Why?
Compared to all the other candies you can get on Halloween, it's
Yeah.
like a 4 out of
Oh,
10.
yeah.
Oh, candy corn's the worst. Yeah. Oh, from a candy, I thought it was a drink.
I wouldn't even give it a 4.
No,
What's
candy
going
corn. Yeah, it's
on?
brutal.
What is this shit?
Yeah, you eat like 3 of them and you're like, yeah, I'm good.
You go-
Is it banned
just
in the
kinda, like,
UK?
spit
'Cause
'em
it's
out.
that bad?
They're pretty. They're not good. They are
Just
not
hammer
good.
that home.
Literally,
I
Yeah, you
don't know.
can't buy it. You can't buy it in the UK. You have to pay like £4 delivery plus taxes to try and get it here.
4
A
quid.
small bag, yeah, £4.
How much is 1 quid in American?
It's like
Just gonna check
$1.3.
1.3?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, but that's
it
4 of
sounds-
them. Okay, got it. So it's
yeah,
like
the
a
dollar's
quarter.
gotten stronger.
Yeah, but it's like roughly equivalent to a quarter.
Yeah.
25
When
cents.
I think when I first went to America, it was like get $1.6.
1.6,
pounds.
1 point. Yeah, 1 point. It was up there pretty good.
Yeah, yeah. And then it's when I went to New York, I was like, oh, everything's so cheap.
I got to tell you, since Brexit, it kind of, it took a little dive down. That's when it really started to come down. Trend line
Yeah, I
down.
didn't know much about Brexit, but someone
I'm
enlightened
not saying
me
Brexit's a
few
bad
months
thing
ago.
or a good thing. I'm just saying.
I mean, I had an opinion, but apparently I didn't know anything about it, and then someone enlightened me about Brexit.
Who's the someone? Someone here? Or
I mean,
Huh?
we did our Brexit in
He
1776.
was a member of
so-
another Discord. He came in, he told me some facts.
okay. Interesting.
Like I said, we did
Yeah,
our Brexit in 1776, so I don't really. Just saying.
Apparently, a political
Yeah,
party.
Brexit 1 and Brexit 2. For what it's worth, I see a large buyer at the highs, relative at like 120, and then I see a large seller at 100. So I wouldn't be entirely surprised if we hold this, like roughly this range until news at 10. For what it's worth.
Yeah,
Watch us just absolutely puke now that I've said that.
Fletcher's for us. Yeah, Fletcher's on it.
I mean, below here, I've got.
Oh, it's 22,000 below here.
Kind of a small level at 22,060, somewhere around there. Below that, we are
Yeah,
chasing.
that's what I was saying. That was yesterday's point of control for M&Q at least. Yesterday full session, by the way, not just RTH, but including Globex as well.
Yeah.
So we know who's gonna be getting gig along there.
Logs.
I mean, it's worth a shot for sure.
Yeah, I might actually try it as well. I can't talk.
I mean, if you take a loss, you know your risk is relatively well defined and small.
Yeah, if we so my thing with untested point of controls like that is I want to see large, like in this case we're trading down into it, I want to see large aggressive selling hitting that area that is failing to trade lower, and then I like doing a in this case it'd be a buy stop order, just trailing price down from above, so that way when there is a bounce, like I'm not trying to catch the knife, I'm trying to wait for buyers to actually show up after the selling has happened, and then I ride the bounce up. That is my take on how to approach it.
I like that, Paul.
Speaking of them, I gotta go to the bathroom. BRB.
BRB, he said.
BRB. That's almost
BRB.
quite a balanced price range.
Palmetto, BRB, contently stares at his monitors. Morning, Jose.
Hey, Jose. So you should try tomato beer, Paul, when you're out. See if somebody wills you to the. Oh, he left. He's now. Okay, never mind.
I mean,
What's going on?
You can talk to his chair if you want to.
Is Palm at the window ledge? What's happened?
He went to the bathroom.
Ah, okay. I was like, I didn't hear any bad trades.
No, he hasn't taken anything just yet.
No.
He's probably got a limit order set down there though.
Okay,
It does.
so he could come back to a bad trade.
It's probably got to stop on relatively tight because it like where he was looking to execute, your risk is pretty small. What if it gets through there? Your trade's invalidated pretty quickly.
I mean, I could
Right,
see
okay.
22056, I guess. Maybe even 22031. Is that what you're thinking, Wes? You think it's further down?
No, I think if we break below 50, 22,050, we're falling all the way back to yesterday's lows.
Oh, yeah, I would.
950.
950. Yep, I agree with that. Well, 30 seconds here.
I know I can't get into anything just yet.
No way. No way.
Just put one on real quick. I mean, I could flip over to a practice account and try to fade you. What are you saying? Way lower?
You know what? I have no clue with news. Well, it just kind of dipped down there right before news, which kind of tells me uppies now. Look at that. Dang.
Yikes. Wow, were you wrong?
Oh, it just froze. Everything
Yeah,
just froze. I said,
yeah, mine
oh,
too.
wow. Yeah, mine froze on that. Holy cow.
Ooh, Fletcher within 4 points.
Ugh.
You were within 4 points.
sure.
What's going on?
Look at
News.
Nims, are you in your own little world over there? Like, what?
Did somebody just wake him up?
Like-
Yeah, we had a little wick. We had a little wick. I didn't know. Like, I was like,
Who woke up Grandpa? Now we go up. Now we go up. Hmm.
Well, I mean, if he had the limit order on down there, he better hurry back to his chair.
Exactly.
He's in
Let's see what's
profit,
going
right? He's in profit right now.
Oh,
His
This
profit's
is
about to
done.
disappear.
I mean, I don't think.
Fletcher,
I don't
you
think
were,
you can
you
hit-
were close.
Yeah, I don't think you can hit the green button on the YM today after that news.
Was it that bad?
I mean, it's the equivalent of like Nvidia being investigated by the DOJ.
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, if Nvidia fell like 11% on the day, would you be able to hit the green button on the NQ?
No.
There you go. Well, that's the equivalent.
It's looking like I might want to hit the green button on the NQ right now.
I know it. I know it.
In fact, let's give it a shot.
No, I'm with you, brother. I didn't late. Boy, there's some slippage, but
Yeah, me too. I caught a little bit.
yeah, which I didn't like.
Gotta be
Oh,
careful
boo,
here.
yes. Yep.
Needs to get back above. Yep, this isn't good. It didn't reclaim.
Nah, it's not good. That's not good.
Is it time for another tea? I mean, my index isn't doing anything anymore.
Yeah, this isn't good at all.
Yep. Not good.
I need to probably put a stop in right here. Just eat the loss.
Not good.
What's Palm doing? Is his trade winning still?
Oh, I don't know.
No idea.
Yep, I'm stopped out. $400 loss.
Yep.
Welcome to the club.
Oh, it's okay. I like the idea of the reclaim at 100 and it gave us the little fake out up to 110 and then honestly, I should have hit the 50 long because ES came right down into that 6105 level and bounced. Look at this. Alright, so major interest lower at 22K, 22,820.
21,120.
What?
Just saying where major interest is. 21,120.
That's too bad there.
I know. I almost want to try it again.
Yeah, I do too, but I'm gonna let a new candle open here. You can push through overnight lows and hold it. 104 is brutal. Give us that V bottom.
I think I might actually try a short here.
Go, bro. Go, bro.
much more of a loss here. So I got to put in a break even. Oh, this sucks. Taking a $400 loss off the rip.
Yeah, that stinks.
I can't give any trades room now.
That stinks, brother.
I mean, I could. I'm just not willing. My Fridays, you know, my trend on Fridays, I generally suck. So I don't want to sit here and have a $3,000 loss session.
That would suck.
How much you down, Wes?
$400.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, sure.
I've been a lot worse today. I'm down 920.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's not going good. Yeah.
I mean, it's real small in the grand scheme of things, right? But still, it doesn't feel good.
No. I mean, look, technically, all right, I made 1,000 yesterday, and I did have plans just to put in a break-even stop and leave it, and that stop would have got a hit. So, kind of basically the same, isn't it?
Yeah, true. I guess all you did was just nullify that trade.
Yeah, which I would have done if I left the break-even stop in. I didn't know DOJ was coming for United Health overnight.
My short would be paying right now.
Yep, it would be.
Sucks not being able to give it like room to breathe after taking the L right off the bat.
I agree.
What do you agree?
That taking the L doesn't give you that chance to let that thing breathe.
Yeah. Palm, no, get away from the window.
Dude, there's this giant garbage truck just sitting outside my house. I was in the bathroom, I could feel the house rumbling because of it.
Okay.
I mean, like, legit container truck. Thought this dude was about to put my car in the truck and drive away. Did I miss all the excitement?
Wes got
I see
wrecked. I've been wrecked.
I see we did exactly what I wanted, but I couldn't take it because it was news.
Oh, I thought you might have put a limit
Oh.
order on.
Oh, you
No,
pussy.
absolutely not. It would have been, if it had filled at 60, it would have been 10 points of drawdown, though. For an immediate 40 back up. Pretty clean.
Very clean.
And we saw that large seller come in. There's 517 that went off at 64 or something. 63 half.
My goodness.
Anyways.
Why do I want this long again? This is so dumb.
Don't do it.
What
do you mean?
So dumb.
Although
do you
now's the
mean?
time to do it, but don't do it.
What do you mean West got wrecked? What did you take?
When we got back above 100 there on the last 5-minute candle.
Yep. You tried it?
Yep.
Gotcha.
And the thing just went in my favor about 5 points, and then yoink.
Yoink indeed.
I think you should do the high voice again, Wes. Maybe that'll help.
I have no control over it, unfortunately. I could I could get the
Take a
voice
taser
mod
to your
app.
Taser.
That's funny.
Got a
I still don't know
two-tone
what it sounded like, so I have no idea what
It
was
just
going on.
Straight sounded like helium balloon.
Really?
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. It's teasing you
I
that long just to
know.
take you.
I know.
Just to
Please,
wick you out
Wes,
again.
please.
There's gotta be a green candle at some point, right? That way we just got one.
I just saw the first one on the YM. I just saw the
Screw it.
first green
I'm trying
candle.
it. I'm
Oh
trying
my
it.
gosh, dude.
Is this, what account is this?
I'm
Okay,
a Top
I'm in
Step
with you.
Live.
But I went break even.
Wow.
I'm not fooling around.
Okay, well, be careful, sir.
Oh, it took me out break even. Because I'm not fooling around with this wickiness. I got in and it took me out real quick. But I think it goes up now. It's a dab.
Wes, I didn't know you're trading a live account. Slow down here. I was joking when I said you gotta try it. That was not financial advice.
Dave Fletcher.
Dave said, I think it goes up from now, and that was literally the top tick on the YM.
Just went nice. Wes has got it.
Okay.
Oh my God. Give it to him.
In profit stop. Okay.
Scared money.
Okay.
Yeah, he's gonna get taken out.
No, I
That
think
boy Wes.
at the very least I got faith until 116.5. After that, I don't know.
I like 121. What was your entry, Wes?
91.
Oh, beautiful.
It's not holding above overnight lows, though. I'm going to get taken out break even here. I'm out. Not break even. I made $200 back.
Yeah, that's good.
Well,
climb your way back. Because look at that
180.
overnight. It just, yeah.
So anyways, this is my new trading glove. Ever since I've gotten this, I've been very speedy on the keys. Hotkeying everything.
So, because we've still got snow on the ground here. It's been below 0 after that snow.
We've got OJ on the stream.
Yep.
And I'm gonna
the glove fits.
Just got notified that I've got a tea time at 12:18 on Tuesday, so I'm happy.
12:18.
It's gonna be sloppy.
It's gonna, yeah. It's supposed to be like almost 60 degrees, and right now it's 7 degrees. It's amazing.
Jesus.
Every swing, Dave's gonna be cleaning mud out of his ears.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I'm putting some food on. Before I tilt. All right.
Oh no, Nims is.
Did you just take another trade?
Did he just take another trade?
Bro, slow down. It's Friday. Just call it. I have to make all of it back right now.
What is this banging that's going on here? Is someone tapping
Gotta
on
be
their
Nims.
desk?
Wait, hold on. Is it this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, my bad. I was tapping my mic.
Oh, okay. I was like, it's really loud, like drum sound in my ear.
Ooh, that's a good out, Wes. Dang.
Yep.
It's the whole overnight low, isn't it? Or if this 15-minute candle stays red, yeah.
I'm interested now to see what happens at 60 again, because we had that 517 go off, and then we had on the second test another 179 go off of sellers.
We get down there again, it's flushing.
Yeah.
I'm curious. Volume-wise, we're pushing into lower volume, so if there is going to be a reversal, it'll be at somewhere down here, maybe lower like 2023 or 20,020s, something like that.
I like 21,983 is the target.
Yesterday's low? No, where is that?
Pivot.
Oh, I see.
Pivot. It literally came up to the pivot midpoint on the day and rejected at 109.
They would. On the 1 minute, we could be in a. Oh, don't come back up and close that. Keep that open. 1 minute looks like
we just tapped that 517 block and bounced out of it.
It would be a
20 points so far.
Sorry, Chad. I'm kind of quiet. I'm digging myself out of a hole today, so trying to focus up here and get back
I think
positive.
there's no windows in your room.
There's lots of windows in this room, actually.
Really? I can't see them.
Yeah, It's the same room that I started streaming in. You remember, I just had the desk moved to the other side, and the camera shooting into a different corner.
Was the window visible in that other shot though?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my bad then. I just didn't realize.
Yeah. My background was all windows, actually.
Okay. Yeah, the window that's just like dead center behind me is really unfortunate, but I don't really have like another, unless I get a whole new desk, I don't really have another option. Just because this desk is like, did I tell you it's like a weird corner shape? It's not like a full corner desk. It's like the end of it shapes like an obtuse angle. So if I put it in the corner, there's like gaps on it. And because of the like curved shape of it, I can't really move it anywhere else because it'll like jut into the wall.
It's all right. I mean, you
Cool,
could get
alright.
blackout curtains. That would,
Yeah, that's the only other thing. Yeah, that's true.
it's all right. We get the low angle looking up at Dave shot consistently.
I know I'm gonna have to get a camera that
From the kitchen table.
I'm gonna have to do that. Oh my gosh. So
And the
true.
wooden chair.
He's got well manicured nose hairs.
Jesus.
Should measure, yeah. Oh, 10 a at 10 a.m. Let's see if that way.
Alright, so like in no world would I have held for the full 100 points that we rotated out of the open, but recently my favorite trades have been the pay line rejection trades. Like that's the trade I took earlier, the 62 something short.
Mhm.
Break out of pay line, break out of opening range, come back into it,
Oh, see.
find a good spot to get short off of volume, and then take the continuation. When there is continuation, it's such a nice like stress-free trade. And then when it doesn't work, I'm just like, well, this sucks.
I kind of want to take the short here.
Yeah, I'm kind of feeling
it's
it.
just, it's really choppy.
That's it, Dave. Say you feel the short. Say you feel it.
Guys, I'm telling you right now, I feel it.
Look at the YM. Let's go.
I am. There's like 3 points.
Nims is over there clicking buttons today, apparently.
It's hey, 3 trades. Okay, 3rd trade, which is a lot.
3rd time's
For me.
the charm.
I agree.
3 times the chart.
It's
Yeah,
gotta work. Can't be wrong 3 times.
yeah, it
in a
does
row,
have to
right?
work. Palm, it does have to work as well.
I
I'm
agree.
cooking a steak downstairs at the same time.
Oh, okay.
This is.
Make sure you don't burn that. That would suck.
Whippy, whippy.
Huh? No, the
Oh,
pan's just heating up.
Gotcha. So what are you making?
Steak and chips.
Yeah, but what kind of steak?
Ribeye.
Nice.
Oh.
Are you cooking it on oil or butter?
butter.
Oil, stainless steel pan.
Nice. Have you seen that stainless steel guy on YouTube Shorts?
Yes, Savvy, that's
Stainless
about
steel
right.
guy.
Ask Nims what his average hold time, average trade time is.
Oh, actually,
Nims,
no.
what's your average trade time?
Go ahead, Nims.
All right, give me a sec.
Fletcher, I kind of agree. Like, I don't mind grilled steaks, but I do think pan-seared steaks, when done correctly, are better. You just get a better, like, overall mouthfeel.
Yeah,
And then you can also go fancy if you want to throw the butter and, like, the rosemary and all that in, and the, what else do people put in? Garlic or something?
Uh, 3 hours, 57 minutes.
wow.
That's
yeah,
your
Rice.
average?
Cast. Yes.
Yeah, that's my average. Yes.
Rice. Yes. Cast irons. Cast irons are great.
Yeah, it's definitely up there.
I would agree with that.
I bought a cast iron a while ago for camping, and I used it for camping once, and then I never used it again. It's like this most garbage Walmart cast iron you could think of.
All right, y'all. I'm trying it.
Long or short?
Short.
Let me see my average trade time. Average time in market, 2 minutes. Nice.
Nice. Yeah, I went short three minis here at 73. Let's see what happens.
I gotta put a break even in. I don't like
Well,
the
I'm break
games
even.
that it's playing. I'm out.
I'm a break even.
I can't afford to let it breathe because of where we're operating right now. I don't like.
I made 75. I'm short 75. I took 2 of those minis off at 10 points each. So let's see what happens.
Oh,
here.
you've bumped it up to minis now, huh?
Well,
It's a wrap.
and right now I'm up. So let's see what happens. I don't know if it's gonna do. I'm gonna break even.
We retraded that area I wanted. The first we hit that 517 block, and now we're trading into that 179 area, which is, call it like 60 flat, 660.
I think we hit the magical 20s here. I'm hoping.
It definitely looks like it wants down, but I really like these. If we are going to bounce, I think it will be right here at like the 60s. That being said, I also agree. I think the 20s look really good. I also think 22K looks really good.
It can get some
Yeah.
juice. Here we go. Here we go.
I'm not gonna put an order on around 22K. No thanks. We do have some blocks to the downside in through 22K right now.
Oh, I'm loving this. Keep going.
You short?
Oh yeah. I'm a mini at 0.75. I'm short.
Oh my god. Damn, you're up 30 points then right now?
Yeah, I was micro, so I went in 3, basically the equivalent of 3 minis. I took 2 of those off at 10 points, and now I just take 5 micros off at 30 points.
You're the equivalent of 3 minis, so you have 30 micros.
30 micros, and I've taken 20 off. And now,
Dave, we had a bad day because it seems like someone is playing the Martingale game.
No, this was like I went in all at the same time, and now I'm just
Scaling out.
Yeah.
What account is this?
I say that because someone else is playing a Martingale game on their personal account currently.
Oh no, Nims.
Oh no.
You
I was up on my other ones.
Yeah.
I was up on a couple other evals, so I went and I didn't want to touch those. I can't actually on one of them.
Consistency.
So, yeah.
Gotcha.
This one.
Whoa, Celsius up 24% share price.
Really?
It's buying. What's that one that you like? Alani? It's buying Alani. Celsius is.
They're buying Alani? Wait, this is a huge dub. Wait, this is a huge.
Yeah. I think they're buying them for 1.8 billion.
Let's go. Get got.
So my take profit's down to 21.
Get absolutely got.
The last runners.
You should get it. There's big blocks down into 22K.
Yeah, we had more sellers hammer that same area that I was talking about. The 60s area, more sellers on the way down. So the break looks pretty good for continuation.
Yeah, I just moved my stop down to 22K. Then now I'm bringing my take profit. I'm bringing my stop down. I mean, I'm not gonna let this run back against. Oh, look at this. This is a banger. I'm up 70 points right now. 68. no, sorry. 26.75 right now. Hold on. We get 46 points. I'm up. There we go. I was reading the different where I put my stops.
Thank you for letting me know that, Nims. That's funny. The Celsius thing.
Oh, look at this. 57 points. All right, I'm out. Nice. Woohoo!
Nice. The 20s. Hitting the 20s.
Nice trade, Dave.
Probably goes down more, but I'm taking my profits and running. Oh, that was nice.
All right, YM has died.
YM is
nice trade, Dave.
YM has died.
Really nice trade.
Let's look at this.
Who's YM alive? Thank you.
What, are you long?
I might be.
Yeah, Nims is catching the falling knife today.
I might be. I might
Yeah,
be.
it's worked. It's worked really well so far.
Oh my gosh,
All right.
too funny.
I've been stabbed twice.
I mean, I kind of may have mismanaged.
I'll catch it.
Bit,
I will
I kind of
catch
like
it
the way
today.
I scaled out.
All right, I'm going back to my steak.
Honestly, with as wiki as that was up there, I didn't mind taking a couple of those minis off at 10 points because you just never know, and then letting the last mini run.
Yeah, it's good to
nice.
lock in. How big is your stop when you take those trades? Like, what's your R relative to the minis you're taking off?
When I take mini off early like that, it's basically a 1-to-1.
Okay. That's fair.
But yeah, actually, it literally is a 1-to-1. I like
Yeah,
the runners to.
that's
Then the
fair.
runners just go forever.
Well, yeah, so the runners in that, I mean, when I was doing my IB testing, that like really opened my eyes to how, like, where on multi-contract trades like that, we were scaling out where the profit comes from. Like when I was doing the stats on that, my 1-to-1 scale outs or anything close to 1-to-1 was literally just keeping me break even when accounted with the break even stops as well as the full stops. That was like perfectly flat, and then literally all of my profit came from the other contracts that were running out. So like target 2,
it.
target 3.
Yep.
So that's why I'm
That
always
makes
curious
sense.
to ask that.
That makes sense. I like that. I might try doing that better. You know, I got to manage it better. But yeah, we bounce. Is this the bounce point? Is this V bottom now?
Could be.
I'm gonna be waiting for
I don't know.
nine.
I mean
983.
900. Yeah, 21,989 is kind of where I'm at. 83 at the
You
bottom.
think-
Yeah.
You think we're gonna
Dave,
attack
put
prior
him
day
down.
lows or not?
All right. I'm trying to cook my steak downstairs, and then Dave says, "Is this the bounce point?" And I need to run up and check on my trade because I know shit's
Oh,
about
you
to go
can-
south,
You can
and it
do
is
this.
going south. Yeah,
He just hears it and sprints back to his chair real quick.
yeah,
Alright,
that was it. I
there's
literally heard
22K again.
Dave say, "Is this the bounce
here we go.
point?" All right, I was
Okay.
break even when I went down to check on the steak. Dave goes, "Is this the bounce point?" I'm now down another $400.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Dave, it's the V bottom. It's the V bottom.
Yeah,
We did hit 22K, and there was a lot of large orders coming into 22K. So
Yeah.
I'm curious to see.
I
what
like
happens.
the 989 to 983. Let's see what happens there. If it doesn't take it, yeah, it's definitely full port long because that's leaving that down there is pretty sketch. Oh, here it comes.
No, just
Dave,
go
I
grab
need
it.
to go downstairs. I literally,
I know,
Dave, I
right?
literally just went to walk down the stairs, and I just heard full port long.
Tell you what's
All
causing
right.
this is Texas Roadhouse. Their earnings have screwed
Clearly.
the market up.
Honestly, 100%.
I got out of that trade early. Shoot. Fletch. All right. Like what Fletcher's got going on.
Come on, sweep a little lower.
I would be
Ooh.
interested in the reclaim of 22K and then the retest of, let's call it like 2205, where we are right now.
Hey, what
That would
Fletcher's?
be-
I think he's got it.
A really similar trade to what I saw yesterday that paid beautifully. But first, we gotta actually find some buyers. That's step number 1.
Like this Fletch. Fletch has got some nice levels. He does, man.
I love the ICT bros always sticking together.
Yeah.
Hey
Push
man,
in
if
the
you
machine,
throw
bro.
enough lines on the chart, one of them will hit, right?
Yeah, no, yeah. Yeah.
Ghost in the machine. Oh, this is pretty sketch that it didn't take that.
I know.
Uh,
Come on, go grab the 980s.
Fletcher, are you still on Motive Wave? Because if you are, I'd be really curious to see what you think about the big trade study. Like that's what it's called, big trades. I wonder if that would, like, if you'd be interested in that. It literally just shows you where the big orders are coming in. So like paired with how you trade ICT, like looking for imbalances and the fair value gaps and all that, I think it'd be interesting for you to look at the big trades too, to see where the actual order flow is confirming the ideas you have based off of just price action and price structure.
Look at this 5-minute chart.
I don't know. If you're interested, take a look. I can send you my settings for it, so you don't have to go through the whole like rigmarole of figuring it out.
Seriously, can't
Also,
be
this is a
that
decent
much
looking
more.
reclaim.
Kinda
I don't know
is.
if I
What's
want to
he
take
guys
it,
doing?
but I'm gonna mentally take the trade at 22.003 if we hit that. But I'm not gonna take it like on account.
Morning, Mr. Fox. Nimkins and I are red. Dave is big green. Palmetto, I don't even know if Palm's taking a trade yet. One?
Yeah, I'm up 40 points.
There you go.
And a big wow, nice palm. Dang,
Thanks, lads.
that's a quiet 40 points.
Yeah.
So it happened like 2 minutes into the day, and then I haven't taken a trade since. So
Dang. I mean, if it was Nimkins, we'd still be hearing about it.
yeah, Fletcher, it's called big trades.
Big trades.
I would not be filled at 03 yet. I missed it by 1 tick. Nice.
All right. Come on, sweep down into the 80s.
Yeah, man, do something. Not this.
Alright, we are doing nothing. Alright, I'm gonna collect my stake.
Alright, I'd be filled at 03. Now I'm curious to see what happens. My stop would be 88.
88.
Yeah, again, this is like a mental trade. I just want to see what happens here. I'm not convinced enough to actually buy this yet.
All right, IB is set. So quick sweep IB.
Who IB is that? Brother.
Come on. Quit messing around, NQ.
Oh, it's doing NQ things. Hey, Mr. Fox.
Send the Palpatine meme. Do it. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I do. I don't know what
There we go.
Oh, there we
All
go.
right. So I would have been stopped out, so I'm glad I didn't take that. It just, the buyers didn't look convincing enough there for me to take it.
All right, I am long.
Why I didn't.
I wish I had Wes's conviction. God, that was so good.
980s bounce question mark?
Yeah, I'm going to give it to just below 70.
And I wish I had your conviction.
Freak the VIX Friday, but we're going the wrong way.
Hey, Mr. Rice, congratulations.
I'm going to take an L here. It's too heavy.
Ah, dang it. Thought maybe you'd survive that candle. Looks like a decent bounce point.
Oh, I'm green right now.
Brother, keep going.
Oh, you're still in? I thought you got stopped out.
Nope.
Go.
Not yet. Not yet. It's just messing around with my entry, though. Feel like
Fiddling with it.
feel like I got slipped to the top side. My entry's at 89. I tried to punch from 93. Oh, here we go.
Fletcher, I just sent my big trade study settings in the chat. I tagged you if you want to use those. Setting it up from scratch is a little bit of a pain because you have to figure out like what size you want, what colors you want, all that. That's for M and Q, by the way. NQ, if you're cross trading, like using NQ data to trade MNQ, NQ is going to have different trade sizes, so you'd have to adjust those accordingly.
Am I winning?
I
No.
don't know.
I don't know, are you?
No, I'm not.
Come on, NQ. Let's go.
Are
Let's
you
go.
long?
Let's go. Yes.
By the way, I grabbed the long at 96.50.
Okay. Oh god.
Oh wait, we're back above IB, let's go.
Let's go.
All right, so now if we sweep out 22.02.20 half, dude, saying these numbers is so hard. You guys know what I'm talking about?
I'm out.
If we sweep above the 20s and then trade back into like 22K, 22.03, I could be interested.
A long? Or short?
For a long. For a
Later,
long.
Martin.
Micros took 5.
Enjoy your weekend.
And we're keeping on the lap. So.
I
Yeah, it's
found
kinda-
the strongest resistance I think I've ever seen on the wire. It's called my entry.
You can hear.
You getting blue line
Yeah,
algoed?
That's how it goes.
Literally to the tick every time.
That's how it goes.
Yeah.
My entry's 895. Look at it. Look at the 5 minute 895.
Why do I always got to look at this boring ticker? Yep. You are definitely getting wicked resistance
Yeah.
there.
Yep. I'm just gonna enjoy my stuff.
Yeah, I think that's the best idea at this point. Forget trading today, man. Fridays can be messy.
I'll be right back, boys. Bathroom break.
Not allowed.
We'll see if my voice goes back and I get shocked when I come back.
Oh. Anyone watch the hockey game last night? USA Canada?
Did not. I mean, nothing could top the old time hockey of their first game. Holy cow.
Yeah. Yeah, the first one was funny.
Oh my god. 3 fights in 9 seconds. Right.
Incredible.
So good. I love, it's good. It's going to be a good game when they drop gloves right at the face off.
Yeah.
Don't even care.
I don't think there was a single fight in the one last night, was there? I watched all of regulation. I didn't watch OT because at that point I was like, I'm going to bed.
Yeah. I don't know. Everybody probably got a talking to, for sure, by the NHL. Whatever association runs that.
We're holding above IB, but I'm still not like convinced that the longs here are going to play out. We potentially put in a higher low, like right at IB, but it's a little sketchy.
It's sketchy right now. There's no structure really. It's not setting any structure just yet, except down. Although there is a inverse fair value gap on the 1 minute. Interesting.
I would have taken the IB reclaim if that initial attempt to trade higher that brought us back inside initial balance had taken out the local high at 20 half. I would have been interested enough to take it there, but we stalled right in front of it.
I agree. On the 15 minutes, still a red candle. See what it does here.
We are back.
We're so bad.
You're right. Unfortunately, the voice is the same.
Unfortunately.
I mean, I can download voice mod if you guys want to hear Chipmunk all the time.
It's not what we want to hear, Wes. It's what the people want to hear.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay.
Thank you, Paul. Paul nails it as usual.
Where's Nims? Is he eating steak? Oh, there he is. He's grown.
I'm eating steak and watching my entry be resistance, as I have been for the last 40 minutes.
Are you a medium rare steak guy or a medium guy? Or
Medium,
a rare
medium.
guy? Medium, like just straight medium?
Medium rare.
Yeah,
Supposed to say medium.
What?
I'm mid rare as well.
Yeah, medium rare. Yeah.
Yeah,
Because medium, if you say mid rare, then if you say medium, there's a chance that they can like do you
overcooked a
dirty.
little bit.
Oh yeah, I'm saying
Yeah.
if you cook it though. I'm not saying if you get it at a restaurant. Like if you cook it.
The best are the well done.
I mean-
people. It's
I
like,
mean-
man, you could go to the
I
gas
mean-
station and get some beef jerky or something, you know?
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
yeah,
that's
a
fair.
well done steak, a
That is fair.
well done hamburger I get because of the holy cool I think, but a well done steak, no way, no
Yeah.
way.
I mean, this one's more on the medium side to the medium rare, but that's Dave's fault.
All right,
Yeah.
guys. So favorite like chicken fingers dip.
Honey mustard.
Honey
Oh,
mustard.
barbecue.
Honey mustard is a solid one. Honey
Nah.
mustard is great.
That was solid. Yeah.
I've never been a barbecue guy. Like I don't like barbecue sauce.
Because you haven't had good barbecue yet. You need some cases.
Oh, okay.
Raising Cane's. I was gonna say Chick-fil-A sauce, honestly.
Chick-fil-A sauce.
I have still never been to a Chick-fil-A.
Do you
Well,
have one near you?
Oh yeah, I mean, who doesn't
Yeah.
have one there? But yeah, but no.
Dude, I didn't have one for the first like
Sweet heat sauce.
until
Savvy, what's
oh yeah,
sweet
sweet heat
sauce?
from Popeyes. Yeah, Savvy gets
Oh
it.
yeah, okay. I've been to Popeyes and that's pretty good. I would agree with
That's
that.
valid. Sweet heat
Cat-
is great.
Casper, welcome. Haven't seen you in a while, brother. Sweet and sour, you say? Sweet and sour is good. You want to know what a hidden gem is? And I'm not
It's
like
true.
this might be a hot take, but McDonald's hot mustard sauce is one of the most fire dipping sauces for chicken that you will ever have.
I've never tried it.
Give it a
Quite
shot.
single, Les.
Give it a
Quite
shot.
single.
Give it a shot. I'm telling you, it's a
I
hidden
would,
gem.
but I don't know when the next time I'll be at a McDonald's is, man. I started
True.
marathon training.
True.
I started marathon training, so I have to like watch what I eat now, and like eat wholesome foods. You know.
Oh, all right. You want a wild card pick? Domino's garlic and herb dip for your chicken.
Garlic and
Interesting.
herb.
The Domino's one
Specifically Domino's.
I had a friend tell me the other day he went through the drive-through window at McDonald's and ordered 2 sausage muffins with egg, and then they told him what his total was, and it was over $12,
Oh my gosh.
strictly because
Yeah.
of the price of eggs right now.
Oh, gotcha.
Okay.
They
Interesting.
can't kill 100 million chickens. Man, wow.
Does it have something to do with the bird flu?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, yeah, they killed a bunch of chickens because of the bird flu. Yeah.
We just smacked out that low.
I know. That's something. PDL, baby. Here it comes. Unbelievable.
It's over.
Ah,
I have-
I'm sorry, Casper.
I haven't seen a
Oh yeah,
single.
Casper, that sucks.
I got fired from my truck driver. Damn, I'm sorry, bro.
Oh, sorry, man.
How hard is it to get a another truck driving job? Like, is that something you can reasonably do
Yeah,
quickly, or
you still have your CDL, right?
Yeah.
dude, trucking's a hard business. Like everything I've heard about that is it's difficult.
I
man.
couldn't do it. That's just like
Yeah,
too much.
same.
Yeah.
It's too much in a vehicle.
in a vehicle.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. So it's on the table. You're not like, hopeless.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, well, especially now, they need truck drivers bad. So,
Jeez, we are really melting back into that prior range, aren't we? Let's look at the 1 hour here. Holy.
holy moly. He bought him. I'm calling it.
Word.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
I can't take much more
I have
heat.
no
I can't
idea.
take much more heat, Dave.
I
Don't call
have
me
no
bottom.
idea.
What if we actually get the melt that I was talking about to 21,600? That's only 350 points away.
This
It's-
would be
it's
a
doable.
logical bounce spot.
Tell you what, if it can come down and bounce off of, if you stay low, be nice. Or just go.
We did take out probably.
Yeah, I might try it just to get a little bounce back up
We
to
had
IB.
had some aggressive sellers come in there. Yeah, looks good. Big fan, big fan.
Big fan.
Let's target.
I mean, honestly, we're getting nice runs today. I mean, if you're on the right side of it, you're making money.
Let's shoot.
Yeah, dude. If
What's
you
the
had
right
shorts,
side?
if you had shorts out of opening range, I mean,
What do
I don't know
like
if there's
here?
any world where I'm holding a 200-point runner, but in the case that I did have a 200-point runner, it'd be pretty sick.
It would be. Today would be the day.
Let's shoot
This
for
bounce
something
looks
like...
good. I think Mapster has called it. I put a break-even stop in, Wes.
So I need to pull my
Seriously?
stop all the way down to below 900.
Yeah,
I mean,
0.
This,
I mean,
this looks good. This looks really good.
I haven't seen a single large buy order on M&Q since 22,100.
I mean,
been
I don't
all
know where
red
you
since
got
then.
in long. Where did you get in long, Wes? Because that's a beautiful.
65.
Oh, okay. Huh.
I'm about to
Little
get
bit
stopped
here.
out.
Long from 980.
Christopher, I had an uncle that was a long haul driver. He delivered Tony's Pizzas back in the day.
Tony's
Tony's
Pizzas.
They're made in the
Tony's
town
pizzas.
Made in the town I grew up in. So he would
Go over there, talk to Tony. He'll get you straight.
Let's go.
He'll take
Get,
care of you.
get through IBL.
Oh man, this is looking really good.
Let's go.
Wes might
I'm from
have
the-
the entry of the day.
Oh, where's West Long from?
65, I think.
Yeah.
You dog.
Oh gosh, I rejected IB.
Oh,
Okay, I'm gonna put my
rejected
stop
IB.
at.
I'm from the part of the country where like some people
73.
actually talk like that New York Italian accent. It's going
Yeah.
away slowly for sure.
It
Like,
is,
it's less and
it
less
is.
common. But when
Yeah.
you run into one of those people, it's funny. Like my the mechanic I go to, he's not even from New York. He's like born and raised in Connecticut, but he just picked it up from somewhere. So the first time I ever talked to him, I was like trying not to crack up as I was talking to him.
Come on. Let's go. Get through IB. Come on.
It's through IB. I love it. Come on, get through it.
Yes.
There you go.
All right,
Ow.
980 long paid off. GG, might not know ball.
I'll just get
I
through
I was
this.
skeptical. I'm not gonna lie. I was
Just get through
skeptical.
this green sandwiched candle here, and I should be full target.
What a little retest IB would be nice.
No, Dave.
Oh my
Yeah.
god, it just did it. Oh my god.
Oh,
Ban.
Chat, you guys
Ban
are,
'em.
did you guys see that?
You told me I'm always wrong. How am I not right?
Put the voodoo
I was
curse
telling
on
you to go up.
I swear.
I wanted it to go up, not down.
Dave is like that lady that was at the Super Bowl with the voodoo doll of the Chiefs team. Did you see that?
Wait, what? No, I didn't see that.
Yeah, there's this
That's
lady
so
that had a
good.
voodoo doll of the Chiefs team. She kept like punching it.
Well, there's your Richard of IB. Dang. I mean, I thought it always does the opposite of what I say. Now you're blaming me for doing exactly what I said.
As soon as you open
You
your
are-
mouth.
You requested IB, not IBL.
Oh, okay. I wasn't specific. Yeah, that's brutal right there. That's not good.
This thing's gonna come all the way back and take me out. So ridiculous.
Potentially, yes.
Potentially.
Well,
That's a bummer.
If anyone wants to know, I'm
That's
not
what
having a
happened
good
to
time
you.
here.
me neither anymore. My trade was looking so good for a minute until Dave had to open his yap. That's it. Tape his mouth shut. That's right, Phoenix.
Come on, Phoenix. I need your support
That is
here, bro.
right, Phoenix. 3-bar play.
Oh, chat, is my volume okay today? I've been trying to like be better about it, but Wes said that last time my volume on the stream was super light, but in everyone else's ears, like on Discord, it was fine. So let me know. It's also
Oh
really
yeah, on YouTube, like our,
that's
our
right.
last.
yeah on YouTube.
Our
On
last.
YouTube, it was light.
Man, come on, buyers. What are we doing here? Free Fall Friday nonsense.
Everyone is in the red palm. No one cares about the volume. Okay, fair. That's fair.
Wow.
Dave and I are green.
Yeah. Come on, man.
I mean, technically, I'm
Well,
green
yes.
now.
Right? You call it that?
All right, rub it all in. Yeah, that's it.
Dude, welcome to my world. That's me every Friday.
Nah,
You know,
you want to know
this
something
morning
fun?
my- this
Dave
morning
always
my
calls
wife
for these
left-
reversals going into London close. Where's this reversal, Dave?
My wife left a note on the fridge this morning. It said, "This isn't working. Goodbye." I opened up the fridge. Seemed to be working fine.
Oh, jeez.
Nice.
Oh my God.
The buy stop order idea worked on prior days IBL. That's something I've been looking at a lot on M&Q recently is prior days IB. So prior days IB was low of day and came into it, large sellers hit it as we traded through it, and then buy stop, I mean, you could put it like at IB or at prior days IB 951, ripped back through it. There was no drawdown for 50 points. I didn't take it, but just observing.
Nice. Wow.
But, you know, I tried that same trade yesterday and I got absolutely hosed on it. So take it with a grain of salt.
All about delivery. Yeah, I tell you, I don't know about you guys, but you know, for your emergency, I
Morning,
my
Antonio.
favorite kind of cheese. I have a favorite kind of cheese for just for emergencies. You know,
I'm down too
just in
much for these
case
dad jokes.
Is it
I'm down too
emergencies?
much, Dave, for these dad jokes. All right.
Oh, just in queso. Come on, queso. Get it?
Oh, just in nice.
Oh my
Took me
god.
a second.
Yeah.
Sorry.
What I said.
About to get stopped. Can't believe I haven't gotten stopped yet.
Nima, can I ask, are you willing to share how much you're down?
I'm up. I'm out.
Yeah.
I am out.
All right, so that's a no.
What currently? With
Yeah. I'm just curious.
1200.
Ollie, literally in the last
Sorry, bro.
like 5 days. No idea. But I'll take it. Even if it's all bots.
Nima, do you have like a risk management protocol? Like daily loss limit, like just something to limit the bleeding, you know, so that way you still have an account to trade going forward, and you don't undo like a week's
I
worth
mean,
of work in one
it's
day.
not. As I'm viewing it and things now, I'm basically down like $200 because I was gonna leave a trade overnight with a break-even stop in, which I made like over 1,000 on. So I'm technically I'm viewing it like I'm down $200 today.
But you're not. I don't mean that like a mean way. I'm saying like you gotta the risk management, man, number one.
Yeah, no, I mean,
You gotta preserve
no,
capital.
I'm fine if it gets past and things like that. I won't take more than the $2,000 loss today.
Okay, so that's your loss limit.
Yeah. I won't take more than
Okay.
2K. But
All right, I'm just making sure you have one because at
Oh,
some
yeah.
point you gotta have something. Can't trade if you get liquidated, you know.
yeah, I mean, I'm a long way from liquidation. And the YM's just died, so I don't think anything violent's gonna happen. Like
Everything just
now
died.
anymore.
Even the NQ just died. I still like the longs from here.
They're starting to look okay.
I mean, we
I haven't
ran
seen anything
yesterday's
that
low.
really
We
convinces
barely
me
swept
of that.
yesterday's lows. We held.
Yeah.
I'm
I
not
literally
saying
have
a word.
not seen a single
Apparently,
large
I
buyer
can't say
yet, though.
anything.
No. I think I might try it again.
You don't want my opinion.
Well, my stop's going to be just below 60.
I like that. Are you long from like what, 75?
Yeah, 76.5 is where my
Yeah,
entry is. Make
that's
these
fair.
candles bigger.
I just would like it a lot better if there was a like a large seller at these lows that we were reclaiming, but there are some sell orders, but they're all like sub 125.
Well, I'm just seeing the bigger blocks to the top side up here between 22K all the way up to 22.1. That
Yeah.
seems to be the nearest draw.
Okay. We have RTH VWAP up at 22.066 half. So as like a longer term target or a larger target, I like that to go revisit it at some point if buyers are actually showing up. Obviously that doesn't mean anything if we keep liquidating, but just as like an idea. And that would be the return to yesterday's point of control as well. So if we are holding yesterday's range, meaning yesterday's low, I would assume we get a rotation into yesterday's point of control at some point.
All right, so let's something like, let's see here.
Yeah, harsh, because I don't like, dude,
We'll go for
I have experience with people trying to give me advice, and it's just like rude.
Yeah.
And it just makes me feel like it legitimately just makes me feel like people are kicking me while I'm down. So I don't want to do that to other people. So I always try to
Yeah.
preface that as in like I'm trying, this is coming from a good place. But I understand it can be difficult to hear when you're, you know, red, because no one likes to be down money, right?
Let's go. Let's go. Get through
Exactly
IB.
my words.
Let's go.
Let's get through that.
Fletcher, I feel like I'm in the trade that
On.
we were in the other day on stream. There we go.
There we go.
Come on.
Didn't want to say it at the time, but I'm long.
Chris,
Oh,
are you asking?
no.
Oh, number
Oh
wise.
my gosh, I kill this here.
MNQ
Make some money
IBO
back.
is 21,992 half.
All right, absolutely zero reason to lose money on this. Man,
Yeah,
I
I'm
don't.
break even.
I hate putting break-even stops in. I hate it.
Yeah.
Dude, I know you're up more than I am, and I'm already up 22 points. So,
What am I
come
up?
on.
Just
I'm
flexing.
up
on
25.
you. Oh,
Yeah,
so
so-
flex off.
Well, I went in 10 macros. I took 5 off, so now I'm just going to
Let's
let 'em ride.
go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Come
go.
on.
Please,
Run,
Phil.
Forrest,
Please, Phil.
run.
Let's go.
Please, Phil. Phil
I'm
me.
up 30. Run, Forrest, run.
Phil me.
Let's go.
Fletcher, what do you think, brother?
All right. I'm only down $200 now.
Let's go. You made 1,000 on that?
Huh? I was already
Wait.
down. Look. I added at the bottom of the range.
Look,
Right. And then I had to
alright.
stop if it went through IBL.
Look,
so
Look, hear me out.
Look. That's it. I'm putting my stop at VWAP. The rest of you can suck it. Let's go.
I'm glad you clawed back some. I'm glad you got out of the hole.
hey, there's ways of doing things, all right?
I'm not like I'm serious. I'm glad you clawed out of the hole.
I'm almost out. I'm only down $45 now.
Oh my god!
Let's go.
Come on, just turn me green.
I've got 2 runners left. I've taken off 8 micros now, so I'm going to let them run, Wes.
My stop's just below 22K.
Oh, you moved your stop up that high?
Just below.
Yeah.
Where is that?
98.
Okay. We have volume at 22,001 half.
You be quiet.
Vote? Hey, I'm not taking
I'm just telling you where the volume is. I'm just telling you where POC is for MNQ.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm still seeing
Thanks,
those
Kevin.
blocks.
I went in at 982. My long was 980.25.
Come on, let's just go a little bit higher. Get me out this hole.
Yeah,
Oh,
she's out 15
no.
fair value gap. That's not good.
Oh.
Huh? Fair
Let's see
value
the
gap? What?
There's an inverted fair value gap. How about that? Oh, it stopped right.
Oh god.
Yeah, I'm gonna get
What did
stopped.
I just get?
Alright, we tagged volume.
Yeah, stopped out. I'm up 550 on the session now.
All right,
Big
yeah, rub it
bags.
in, rub it in.
Big bags.
Big bags is right.
I need a
Don't
tea.
you dare come back down.
Oh, this
Those
is
are you still in?
disgusting. This is disgusting.
Let me see what he's going through. Yeah, entry barely positive, and then smack. Yeah, I see it.
Oh, this might come down.
Oh
to
yeah,
me.
why I'm just barcoding. Oh, that is
I mean, it's a violent barcode.
you should scan it, see what comes up.
Yeah, just say loser.
Oh, all right. Look at my break even on the runners. That's okay though. Got some good bucks out of that. Big bucks, big bucks.
Look at this
Huge.
melt off of
What happened?
20.
Was that
Yeah,
news?
It hit that 15-minute fair value gap.
That's not what happened. Okay, what actually happened?
I don't mind the 83 long if we're going to hold up.
That's brutal.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is
really ugly. I'm gonna have to get out of this.
I can't believe you've done this.
I'm an idiot. Why did I just wait for positive? I was like $45 down on the session. Now I'm down $550.
God damn it.
No. I mean, it's better than the situation I was in. Alright, I'll agree with that. But
I'm not drunk. Oh yeah, tell the time. I'm not drunk. Do you know what I'm talking about?
no.
Ah, it's a classic.
Is it?
Yeah, let me find it. I'll send it to you.
Ah,
Make you feel better.
will it?
Maybe.
Will it? Will it?
I feel better if the wire went back to where it was and gave me another chance to get out.
Oh my god, I can't. 7. Wow.
Oh, I'm gonna make my tea, otherwise I'm gonna tilt.
I went to get the tape.
Oh,
Is that what you're saying?
Did he just get a helium voice again?
Did I? It shocked me again when I hit it. Did it?
I shouldn't have said anything. Just let him talk the rest of the time. Damn.
So that is apparently the trigger, is the shock.
A barcode on the 15-minute, apparently.
I think I'm gonna try this again.
Oh man, dude, I like it. I like the tenacity. Let me put it that way. I don't know if I like the trade, but I like the tenacity.
Tenacity. Perspicacity. I'm out of words. I got 2. I'm sorry.
This 15-minute looks like it wants to barcode back down.
Yeah, dude, this might be the range. It might be over.
Yeah.
22,020 to
Come
21,960 and just sit there for the next 4 hours.
Yeah. Ugh.
Come on, YM. Come on.
Hopefully somebody like Nims isn't managing my portfolio. There we go.
Yeah, you the way I'm feeling today, you don't want me to be managing anything. I'm like psychotic.
Ooh, look at Wes, the Nostradamus.
Let's go. Fill me. A little bit higher. Oh no, don't come back down.
About to get stopped.
A little bit higher. Come on.
Stopped.
Bummer.
Nemo, did you watch the video I sent you?
We are stuck in this range. I do think we go back up.
You're not going to watch it, are you?
What? No, Palm, because I.
No, it's cool.
God.
I get it. It's cool.
I'm like trying desperately. I got $45 from break even. I don't know why I didn't take it off.
It's cool though. It's cool.
I don't hate
guys.
I don't hate the longs from here. Like I just don't.
No, I don't either.
Now, why is that though, Wes? Because I don't know. What are you seeing that says longs?
We are sitting right on a support pivot. You've got.
Oh, I see it. I see what
you're hanging out above yesterday's lows, consolidating above yesterday's lows.
I see what you're talking about.
Back up into the mid pivot, all the way up at 110 makes sense at this point because we weren't able to hold below that support pivot, or take major support here at 950 roughly.
We're also slowly putting in higher lows. If you
Yeah.
like zoom down into like a 30-second chart, or probably shows on a 1 minute as well, we're slowly putting in higher lows. It's just taking a while is all.
Bigger blocks are to the top side, 25
Okay.
through 40 roughly.
That's it, Wes. Keep gaslighting me into that. I'll make money today. Keep going.
I mean, I like back up into the 30 to 40 range, 22,030 to 40.
I like it. I like longs. I just really would need to see another large seller step in, ideally like sub 70, sub 970, try to trade lower and fail. At that point, I could be convinced in the longs. But until then, I don't see a reason to take anything. But I get what you're
Him and
saying, Wes. Like the idea is what is there.
him and hers down 19% as the FDA says Ozempic shortage ends.
They make Ozempic.
I think they had a supply. They must have had like a supply of it, like a decent supply of it, and everyone was purchasing it off them
Just
while there was a shortage.
Stockpile.
Everyone's just been like on it.
Imagine just like, well, actually,
Well-
I'm not going to say what I was going to say because I know Ozempic does actually have like therapeutical use.
Yeah, for diabetes, not for like
Yeah.
people who are
Diabetes.
just lazy to go to too lazy to go to the gym.
Yeah, that's what I was
And
going to
eat
get
right.
at. Is like for the
Yeah.
people that don't have diabetes and they're using it. Like, imagine just going to the gym and just like changing your diet.
Yeah, like having a calorie deficit and going to the gym, like it's not too hard.
The class action
I'm
lawsuits
trying
that
it
come out
again.
of this are gonna make asbestos look like child's play.
I'm
What, with
trying it
Ozempic?
again.
Oh yeah.
What
Side
is it?
effects.
Is it? How bad is it for you?
I just been reading. I mean, it's hard on your liver, obviously, and pancreas,
Yeah.
obviously, for
I mean, you're not meant to lose that much weight that quickly.
Yeah.
And what I've read is now they're starting to see like temporary blindness, like in one eye or the other or something. Now,
Oh, that
I don't
sounds
know if
fun.
that's I don't know if that's a minority, but that just started to kind of bubble. I have no idea, but I mean, it's just what you read.
Yeah.
But anytime you go off label on something, except for Viagra, which was off label, because it wasn't. I mean, originally it was a heart medication.
Yeah.
It's always tough. Anytime you go off label, it's a tough deal.
Wait, Viagra was originally a heart medication?
Was it really?
I think so. I'll have to research it, but that's what my understanding was.
Wes, this is your
Mate,
new
it
short.
has an
Trading with
awkward
the
heart
boys and we're just
medication.
talking about Viagra.
Okay, so true story. All right, so when I was, I used to be the head of a North American supply chain for a rather large pharmaceutical, and I was in their animal health division. But we also made human stuff in our factory as well. But anyway, we would get that version of Viagra for the pharmaceutical I worked for, because everybody made a version of it. But we also would have ketamine, so I would have to have. Where I
Nice.
stored it, it had to be a 2-man zone and with separate separate key codes and everything. You could not be alone in that area. Well, I had to keep the Viagra equivalent in the same area because the theft was incredible of it. I kept it there not because it was a class D drug or whatever the drugs that class A, whatever ketamine is. I had kept it there for different kinds of security reasons.
Let's
So-
go.
Here it comes.
New log.
Yeah, I'm long.
Hell yeah, brother.
Just hang out above 83.
You can do it.
Have a good weekend, Fletcher.
Later,
Hey,
Fletch.
Fletch.
All right, get back through 22K. Come on.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. I could have made money, but I didn't care. I am up $5 today, everyone. I am up $5.
Way to call
right?
back.
I love
Yeah.
it.
The consistent sizing from 1 mini to 5 minis. It was just textbook trading all around.
Let's go.
I'm long again at 89.
Yeah, Casper, that's right. In your Chris Farley voice.
Yeah, that was sketchy.
Wes, I listened to your logic and I saw that pivot point. You're right.
There was just a lot lining up there.
Yeah, thanks for guessing.
Now, where's your TP, my man?
30.
Oh, I got a mindset at 28. Okay.
Let's go. Come on, just 20 more points. You can do it. You can do it. Let's go.
Oh, Oh, come on. Don't do
Let's
go.
go.
I'm up 30 points at the moment. Let's go, baby. But I
No,
already
don't
took some
reject
off.
20 again.
Oh, I hate this.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm done with trading today. Fuck this shit. I don't do this. It's so stressful.
Oh, come on.
Oh, this is BS.
Uh,
This is bull S.
My stop's at
15 minutes,
98 again.
freaking fair value gap.
Yeah, all those
I
ICT
mean-
traders piling in.
Uh.
Piling in on the short side.
This is brutal.
So, if anyone wants to know the scale of what I did, was I basically slammed another 3 contracts and then just put a stop
What?
below IBL and said, yes, I was in 2 and then added another 3.
Oh my gosh.
Because we were just going up and down in this shitty range, and I was like, well, if I can just go up and down in this shitty range again, then I'll be fine.
Somebody was revenge trading.
It was not revenge trading. It was. I didn't need revenge because I was still in the trade. It was pissed off while in a relationship trading. Okay.
Oh, come on.
It was
This
only
is-
mild.
This is gonna piss me off right here if this thing decides it's gonna sweep down to my entry. I've got 2 runners. I just want the runners to run. Don't you let the runners run?
I'm going to get wicked out right here. There, I'm out.
Oh,
Dave?
look at it come down.
Yeah, Dave, I'll tell you. All right, I wasn't angry. I didn't want to fight. I didn't want to hurt the YM, but I would. I don't know. Maybe move their bookmark like 100 pages, like about just something petty like that.
Right.
Palm, did you grab the IB bounce?
No, I went to put my bagel into the toaster. 'cause I'm hungry.
Okay. We got Nims over here eating ribeye steak.
That's
Palm's
right.
like, I went to go put my
Yeah,
bagel in the
Cooking with the
toaster.
boys.
You got cream cheese, Paul? What are you putting on that thing?
Yeah, I'm gonna do cream cheese. I think I like
Oh,
butter
good
too,
man.
but cream cheese is my go-to.
Cream cheese for the win.
NQ just did me so dirty.
Nah,
Yeah,
you gaslit
nothing
yourself.
new.
I think there's so much to this upside.
Why'd you get wicked out and then it
bounced?
bounced?
We didn't
Yeah, of
take
course.
this low.
Nice,
Sorry.
Christopher.
Of course.
Porch. Yeah, the
I
wine is.
oh my
I
gosh.
mean,
RTHV
I'm still in it. Let's go. Let's go.
22057.
You got 100 blocks
Looks like
risking
we
in
want
the 20 to 30 range.
I'm still in it. It got close
Okay.
to my break even
Looks
on
like
the
we
runners, but
want
it didn't
it.
take them. Come on. Get up there. All this bullshit now.
It'll get there.
Dude, the MNQ tape has been so quiet though, it's kind of spooky. The last large order that I had go off was at 10:45. We've just been doing nothing since then.
Well, guys, after the horrible start, I am currently up $1,061.
Let's go.
Salvage
Oh,
the
wait.
day.
And I took another run.
Palm loves that soundboard.
I mean, it was. It
He
was fitting, it was
absolutely
fitting.
loves the yeah. Golf clap for sure.
I'm up $1,015 if you count yesterday's trade.
Amazing.
Count yesterday.
You count yesterday.
I know. After 2 hours of
Ugh.
crying, this guy comes in and is like, "Well,
Oh.
I'm up $1,000."
I mean, it was brutal too. I love it. It was brutal, by the way. The wailing and moaning.
What do you mean?
There it is.
Oh, I was getting done dirty. All right. Who would have thought I would lose money by longing the YM when United Health was in crisis? That's not my fault.
Yeah, who'd have thunk?
Well, let's
Yeah.
see. Did that get to 30? No, it got to 27. Here it comes. Let's say they aren't going to leave that last 100 block behind.
Oh god, is it just going to go to where I wanted it to go? I'm expecting the YM to return to 44k.
Yeah.
I just didn't have the patience for it. That's my problem.
You might have to rewind the tape there, Wes, but I think I called the V bottom at 941. I really do. I think
I'm pretty sure you called the V bottom at 22,100. Called the V bottom at 22,050. Called the V bottom.
I remember.
I'm just gonna put this out. It took me 20. I made some steak and chips. The whole process took me 20 minutes. In that time, I had 3 V bottoms called at different times while I was making it.
Yeah, he's keeping track.
You bet I am.
Yeah, except I keep running upstairs. Okay. It's could have been a banger trade. Why didn't I leave the 5 minis on, Wes? Think about it.
You were in for 5 minis?
Look, how do you think I made it back? How do you think I got out of that hole?
You started with 1?
He DCA'd
No.
all the way.
All the way.
I started. Look,
What was your original size?
Look.
no, on that trade was 2 minis, and then I was down 400. But I was down like $400 on the trade, and it was like basically chopping in a shitty range. So I was like, if we're going to chop in this shitty range, then if I can make it to the top and add a load of minis on, then I'll be all good. And then I had my stop below IBL. So if we were to crack out the range, then that's it. Me done for the day, down $2,000. If it works, then I win. So it was pretty...
Are you a winning son?
I am. There's no noose hanging around my door.
Still in this long.
NQ did me so dirty.
See, that's
Look at the
that's
YM.
how you do
Look
the
at the YM.
micros so you can take
If you want to
some
see
off.
dirty, look at the YM.
I mean, that would have been full target to the tick.
I still like 22,060 to retrade.
Yeah, my son's
I just
Yeah.
don't have a reason to enter yet, though.
Yeah, interest
Other
is
than
still
that, I
to the
like
top
higher.
side.
Yeah.
There's not an
My
entry
bad.
here, though.
I might
Yeah, top of the range.
You're going to add?
No.
No.
Wait, brother.
Not from your entry. There's no reason to bring your average cost closer to current price. In a downtrending day, playing along. Yeah, let's bring our average entry up.
Plus, I've scaled out, so I left a runner, so that's the other thing. So no. Scaled out at some good spots, though. God, this is good.
Gentlemen, when are we calling it? Just so I have a rough idea.
Probably here
You
pretty
don't want to
soon.
hang out with us anymore.
I'm kind of waiting till Dave gets nasty wicked out of his trade like I did, dirty, and then we'll call it.
Well, the timing's on you, Paul.
That's
Whenever you got to go, brother.
I was gonna say I'll head out in like 7 minutes, let's say.
Okay.
Okay.
Call it 11:30.
I mean, Nims is done trading, so we're not going to hear any more animated air sucking through teeth, moans and groans, and.
Brutal.
I didn't have a good day, okay? I didn't have a good day.
As well, honestly.
I haven't heard such wailing and crying since I had to go to see the bridges of Madison County. It's bad.
Yeah, I'm probably done for the day as well. I really doubt I'm going to see anything that I want to take at this point. And literally
We're all
all
green,
I've
though,
seen
aren't
that
we?
was worth taking was that first trade I took. It's been nothing since then, so.
Well, this very well could be one of those Fridays where we completely retrace the whole downside.
Yeah, sucked back into the range, finished
Yeah.
inside opening range. I could
Yeah.
see it.
Yeah, back up in
Looking at a
like 120.
daily. Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, I
if we
don't
get
really know
all,
what to think.
I don't know if we get all the way back to 200, but I like that 120 area.
We have a volume node at 21,800 that if we lose this low IBL, or no, not IBL, prior to this low, I would argue 21,800 makes sense as a price to go trade.
Yeah, there's some orders stacked at like 820, 825, somewhere around there.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
Right, everything's out to kill me today. Jesus.
You're still in a trade?
No. It's first the YM. Then I tried to swallow my vitamins with a tea and realised that you can't really do it with hot drinks very well. I'm choking.
Vitamins.
Choking.
Yeah.
Ah.
Vitamins.
Oh man.
Do those vitamins have aluminium in them?
Tell you what, if the ES gets back above 6105 and is holding above, we're definitely retracing at some, if not all, of the downside.
Oh, it's 6102. You're right. It's got but 6105 is the key, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Man, this week could have been such a nice green week for me, but I fumbled it so bad. Tuesday, I had, I think, 3 great setups. I didn't take any of them, actually. And then Wednesday
we're
was
getting
okay.
heavy.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna
Yeah,
come
it was
take
a
me
slap.
out. Oh, took me out break even. On my run.
Yoink. Yeah, harsh. I mean, but like on my side, it was just straight up execution error, man. Like, it's a complete skill issue. And then yesterday was also complete skill issue, like totally on me. And then today, honestly, I think I've executed well, which is nice.
Yeah, it sounds like it. You have actually. That's that 15-minute fair value gap, dudes. It's just not wanting to go above it. It went to consequent
encroachment.
Yeah,
Nice.
Fletch knows.
Fletch is gone.
Oh,
your
where's the
ally's
backup?
gone. your ally
happened
shut it
12?
down.
Dude, what does consequent encroachment actually mean? Is that just 50% retrace?
That's all it is. 50%.
Probably.
I'm right there with you, Palm. Why not just say 50% retracement?
Because.
Oh,
If you want to get really fancy, you can call it half back, but consequent encroachment. What, dude? What?
I know.
Astro calls it holler back girl.
Did you get stopped out there, Dave?
I did. Came right down and stopped. But it was break even. So.
All right. Well, we'll call it there. We will call it there. Well, chat, hope you guys came out green. Palm, enjoy work, brother.
Dude, I can't wait.
Palm, oh yeah, chat. Look out for Palm's short content probably coming out either today or tomorrow or Sunday. Nice trading today, boys. Even you, Nims.
Yeah. Even
Hey, I don't know.
What was that big trades? That was
I mean, are we all green? We're all green, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah. I'm ending up the day $1,061 in profit after starting in the hole, so I'm happy on a Friday.
That's fantastic.
I am up $5.
Go. Is that after commission?
Oh my gosh.
Let's not talk about that. I'm up $5. All right. Okay.
Let's not talk.
We're gonna say the word up.
All right. Well, we're all green on the session, so that's good. Well, thanks for tuning in, chat. Thanks for joining me, boys, and enjoy your weekend, all. I will see you on. Wait, is there a holiday on Monday?
No.
Okay,
So.
good. All right, I'll see you all on Monday.
Sweet.
Peace.
All right.